सोमा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hello everyone, this is Mahinder. In this video we are going to solve exercise 9.2 problem number 5. Look at the question. Aflatown Social and Financial Educational Program initiated savings program among the high school children in Hyderabad district. Mandal wise savings in a month are given in the following table. So given Mandal column, number of schools column, total amount saved in rupees. So Ambarpet Mandal, 6 schools are there, 2154 rupees saved. Tirmalgiri Mandal, 6 schools are there, 2478 rupees saved. Saidabad, 5 schools are there, 975 rupees saved. And Karatabad Mandal, 4 schools are there, 912 rupees saved. Sikindrabad Mandal, there are 3 schools, so total 600 rupees saved. Bahadurpura, 9 schools are there, 7533 rupees saved in Bahadurpura. So find arithmetic mean of school-wise savings in each mandal. Also find the arithmetic mean of saving of all schools. Here we have to find the mean. So mean we have to find the individual as per mandal, as well as we have to find the mean savings for all the schools also. Okay, right. Let us see how we solve that. So let us see, this is the table. So we have to find the individual mandal wise average first. So nothing but what is the formula for average? Average is equals to sum of observations by number of observations, isn't it? This is a general formula. So sum of observations nothing but here saved amount, and number of observations is nothing but number of schools here. Okay, so we shall see first individual mandal wise average, that is nothing but this 2154 by 6 for Ambarpet, isn't it? So I am finding the individual average 2154 by 6. So this is the sum of observations nothing but amount, saved amount here. This is the number of school, nothing but number of observations. This is the general formula I am applying to this formula. Okay, so this problem. So what we do? 2154 by 6. So 2154 by 6. 6 ones are 6 3 is 18, 3 remaining, and 6 5 is 30, 5 is remaining, 6 9 is 54. So what is the answer? 359 is the average of this Ambarpet Mandal. So average savings 359 rupees. Okay, right. Next 2478 by 6. So 2478 by 6, 6 ones are 6 4s are 24 and 0. So we shall not take 0. 6 ones are again 6 and 1 remainder, 6 3s are. So what is that? 413. So 413 rupees is the average amount saved in Tirmalgiri Mandal. Okay, right. Next 975 by 5 is equals to, so 975 by 5, this is the sum of observation nothing but amount saved amount by number of schools. So 5 ones are and 4 is remaining. So 5 9s are 45, 2 is remaining, 5 5s are, so 195. So 195 is the saved amount of Saidabad Mandal. Okay, next 912 by 4 is equals to, so how I am finding here? By taking the sum of observations by number of observation. Sum of observations is nothing but saved amount I am taking, and number of observations nothing but number of schools I am taking here. Okay, so here 912 is the saved amount, 4 is the number of schools. 912 by 4, 4 1s are 4 2s are 8, 1 carry, 4 2s are 8 again, 3 is remaining, 4 8s are 32. Is it clear? 4 2s are 8, 1 carry, 4 2s are 8, 3 remaining, 3 2, okay, right, 38, 32, 30 is 8, okay. So 228 is the saved amount of Khairatabad Mandal, okay. Next, 600 by 3 nothing but 200 it is, and 7533. So shall I take here 7533 by 9. So 9 1s are 9 8s are 72 and 3 remaining, 9 3s are 27, so 3 3 6 remaining, 9 7s are 63. So what is that? 7533 by 9 is equals to 837 is the saved amount, okay. So what we got now? So the Ambarpet Mandal average amount is 359 rupees, and Tirumalgiri average saved amount is 413, and Saidabad Mandal saved amount in 5 schools is average 195. So Khairatabad Mandal 4 schools average saved amount is 228 rupees, and Secunderabad 3 schools average saved amount is 200 rupees, and next Bahadurpura 9 schools average saved amount is 837 rupees. Is it clear? So here we got individual average according to Mandal. Now what we do? We are going to find the average for all the Mandals. Okay, right, let us see that. So what is the formula? I am going to use direct method. Average is nothing but mean. So I am writing here mean is equals to x bar is equals to sigma fi xi by sigma fi, okay. Right. So sigma fi xi nothing but this is the fi xi values. We have to sum these things first. Then again sigma fi we have to add all these things. Right. Let us take the addition here. 2154, 2478, 975, 912, 600 and 7533 right on here. Right. 7 plus 8 13, sorry, 7 plus 8 15, 20 22. 2 here, we shall check once again. 7 plus 8 15 plus 5 20 22, 2 carry here, 2 3 7 10 17 12 15. We shall check once again. 3 5 8 8 plus 7 15, 15 plus 7 22, 23 24 25. Okay, so take 5 here, again 2 carry. Once again we shall check. I am doubtful this. 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 7 15, 15 plus 7 22, 22 23 24 25. Okay, right. 5 here, 2 carry. 5 plus 1 6, 10, 10 plus 18 28, 28 plus 30 36. 6 here, 3 carry. We shall check once again. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 9 19, 19 plus 9 28 and 28 plus 34 236. 6 here, 3 carry. So here it is 3 plus 7 10, 10 plus 4 14. So 14 652. Okay. So sigma, I am writing here, sigma fi xi we got 14 652, and now we go for this sigma Fi. 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 5, 17, 21, 21 plus 3, 24, 24 plus 9, 30, 33. Okay, is it clear? This we got, sum is 33. Okay, once again we shall check. 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 5, 17, 17 plus 4, 21, 21, 24, 24 plus 9, 30, 33. Okay, right. Sigma Fi we got 33. Substitute these values in the formula. This is the formula. What we get? X bar is equals to 14,652 by sigma Fi 33. Okay. So take the division between these two. So 33 and 14,652. So 33 ones, 14 here. So take 33 into 4, 4 3s are 12, 1, 4 is 12, 13, 132. So 33 fours, 132. 6 minus 2, it is 4. 4 minus 3, 114. Take the 5 here. Okay, again 145. Take again 4, 33 fours. Again 132 here. 5 minus 2, 3. 4 minus 3, 1. And take this 2 here, 132. So already we have 33 fours, 132. So 0 we got. So what is the amount we got? 444. So rupees 444 is average amount, saved amount for all the mandals. Okay, right. So I am writing here mean saved amount. I am writing in vertical direction. Amount for all the mandals is rupees 444. Okay. So mean saved amount for all these mandals is 444 rupees. Okay. Right. This is the way to find the mean. Okay. Right.